Hi everyone, it's Chris at Gardening Express here, and I'm continuing my look around the nursery today, inspecting all the plants, making sure that quality is A1 for you at home. And I've just come across these beautiful flowering Leucanthemum coconut, this one is, but all the Leucanthemums will do this. We're in September, but this is flowering now. So these have already flowered in midsummer. We've chopped them off. In fact, in the middle you can probably see where they were cut off, dead-headed. Now they're throwing up again. So that shows you how it really pays to deadhead your plants in midsummer. You get more performance out of them in your own garden. So this is Leucanthemum coconut. It's a hardy herbaceous plant. Will come back every year. You'll get flowers end of May, June time. Cut them off, let it grow another couple of months, and from August on again into September here, we've got a wonderful blooming plant again. So you can get this effect in your garden with these wonderful big sort of daisy ruffled flowers. Hardy, evergreen, semi-evergreen I'll say, because this will get cut down, but it'll make a little tuft of foliage on the ground, and then that'll come back every spring, and really good, great garden performance. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.